This is science experiment 2, part 2, even though I didn't really say part 1 for the beginning one, so I'm gonna continue. So, mommy will help me hold the phone to record
What do you
this.
mean by mommy will help
妈
you
咪可以
hold?
帮我吗？拿这个。
你去装水先 ，OK？
好。And I will add some water to these two new ones. And as you see, you could add more drops to this one.
Do I need to take
No.
a new one?
You want to. And then we will go to add some water, like about 45 mLs.
See ya.
And we are back. It's me. And we will have to add 10 mLs of oil. And be especially careful with oil because the bottle is glass. And you'll have to see if it's about 10. Or maybe you could perhaps add a bit more oil because sometimes it might fill it. It really filled. And now carefully close the cap. Wipe your hands with tissues. And if you have food colorings, you could just pick any 3 food colorings and add to the oil. Carefully. And close the cap. And do it as the same thing over again with those 3 food colorings. And you have to be careful with it. And then when you're finished with it, you just try to make sure if it is. You first use the mixing tube, and then you mix it. Well, some videos say it will melt, but it doesn't really melt. So guys, don't think some videos would work. And mix it until every oil has when there's a lot of dots. See? And then you take it off, put it on a tissue, and try to put 5 mLs of those oily things in there. Try to. Gently. As you see, this is falling.
Just give me the food coloring.
Okay. And you can see that somehow the first one, the Vio Junior 1 and Vio Junior 2, the Vio Junior 1 is falling down faster than Vio Junior 2. And isn't it beautiful, right? So please subscribe if you think it's very good.
What do you mean by subscribe? You're gonna post this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And hopefully hope you could subscribe and we will and thanks for watching. And look at the vials. Isn't it beautiful, right? When it falls, it's pretty much not bad and it's good. Like some things that are falling. I don't know, you describe it. And you can have notes with it. So that's me. I'm the one talking. And I'm the main character. Okay?
Why main character? Why is there main character?
Bye bye.